Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Nissan Leaf hood. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side near the footwell. It often has a small car icon with the hood open. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click, and the hood will pop up slightly, indicating it's unlatched. This is the first crucial step. Now, move to the front of your Nissan Leaf. The hood is still partially closed, held by a secondary safety latch. Gently lift the hood a few inches and reach your hand underneath the front edge, right above the grille. You'll need to feel around for a small lever or tab. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open accidentally while driving. Once you locate the secondary latch, you'll typically push it either to the side or upwards. This action will fully release the hood. With the latch disengaged, carefully lift the hood all the way open using both hands. Then, find the prop rod, usually located on the underside of the hood, and insert it into the designated hole to securely hold the hood open. With the hood open and secured, you can now safely check your fluid levels, top up your washer fluid, or perform any necessary maintenance. Remember to always double-check the prop rod's stability. Also, for a great way to bring your space to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other deals. When finished, remove the prop rod, lower the hood gently, and press down firmly to ensure it latches completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.